Off the California coast, bathed in the golden sunlight of the vast Pacific Ocean, lie the enchanting Channel Islands. These islands, often shrouded in mist and mystery, are a hidden gem waiting to be explored. This archipelago, comprising 8 diverse islands, is a testament to the raw power of nature and the critical importance of conservation. Each island has its own unique character, from rugged cliffs to serene beaches, and they all play a vital role in the ecosystem. Formed millions of years ago through volcanic activity and tectonic shifts, the islands boast a unique ecosystem, shaped by isolation and the relentless forces of the sea. The geological formations tell a story of ancient Earth movements and the ever-changing landscape. Steep cliffs plunge dramatically into turquoise waters, while rolling hills give way to hidden coves and pristine beaches. These natural features create a breathtaking mosaic of landscapes that captivate the senses and inspire awe. This is a place where nature reigns supreme, and human impact is carefully managed to preserve its pristine beauty. Conservation efforts are paramount, ensuring that the islands remain a sanctuary for future generations. The Channel Islands are a haven for wildlife, both above and below the waves. Seabirds soar overhead, while marine life thrives in the nutrient-rich waters surrounding the islands. Vast kelp forests teeming with life provide shelter for countless marine species. These underwater jungles are a vital part of the marine ecosystem, offering food and protection to a myriad of creatures. On land, endemic plants paint the landscape with vibrant colors, their survival a testament to their resilience. These plants have adapted to the unique conditions of the islands, creating a rich tapestry of flora. The island's isolation has fostered the evolution of unique species, found nowhere else on Earth. This isolation has allowed for the development of rare and fascinating creatures that are a testament to the power of evolution. From the diminutive island fox, which roams the rugged terrain, to the majestic gray whale, which migrates through the Channel Islands waters, this archipelago is a living laboratory of evolution and adaptation. The diversity of life here is a reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the importance of preserving these unique habitats for future generations to marvel at and learn from. A life on the Channel Islands exists in a delicate balance. Limited resources and the ever-present forces of nature have shaped the evolution of species, leading to remarkable adaptations. The island fox, for example, is a miniature marvel, its size a direct result of the limited resources available on the islands. Similarly, the plants that thrive here have developed unique strategies to cope with salty winds and prolonged periods of drought. The island's isolation, while fostering unique biodiversity, also makes them incredibly vulnerable. Introduced species pollution and climate change pose significant threats to this fragile ecosystem. The story of the Channel Islands is a reminder that even in the vastness of the Pacific Ocean, life is interconnected, and human actions have far-reaching consequences. Recognizing the ecological significance of the Channel Islands, dedicated individuals and organizations have stepped up to protect this natural treasure. The Channel Islands National Park, established in 1980, encompasses 5 of the 8 islands, safeguarding their natural and cultural resources for generations to come. Park rangers, scientists, and volunteers work tirelessly to monitor wildlife populations, restore damaged habitats, and educate visitors about the importance of conservation. Conservation efforts on the Channel Islands extend beyond the park boundaries. Non-profit organizations, research institutions, and local communities are all actively involved in protecting this unique ecosystem. Their collaborative efforts are a testament to the power of collective action and the shared responsibility we have towards our planet. Tourism, while offering an economic lifeline, can also pose a threat to fragile ecosystems. The Channel Islands, however, are a shining example of how tourism can be managed sustainably, minimizing its impact on the environment and benefiting local communities. Visitors to the islands are encouraged to adopt a leave-no-trace policy, packing out everything they pack in and respecting the natural surroundings. Transportation to and from the islands is carefully managed, with a focus on reducing emissions and minimizing disturbance to wildlife. Sustainable tourism practices are not merely encouraged, they are an integral part of the visitor experience. By choosing to visit the Channel Islands responsibly, tourists become active participants in the conservation of this special place. Exploring the islands, adventures in conservation. The Channel Islands offer a wealth of opportunities to connect with nature and engage in responsible recreation. Kayaking through the kelp forests, hiking along scenic trails, and camping under a star-studded sky are just a few of the unforgettable experiences that await visitors. Each activity is an opportunity to learn about the island's unique ecology and the importance of protecting it. Guided tours led by knowledgeable naturalists provide insights into the island's history, wildlife, and conservation efforts. Visitors can participate in citizen science projects, contributing valuable data to ongoing research and monitoring programs. The Channel Islands offer a unique blend of adventure and education, making them an ideal destination for eco-conscious travelers. Responsible recreation, minimizing our footprint. Every step we take, every action we make, has an impact on the environment. Whether we are hiking through a forest, strolling along a beach, or simply enjoying a day out in nature, our presence leaves a mark. On the Channel Islands, where the margin for error is slim, responsible recreation is paramount. The island's delicate ecosystems require us to be extra mindful of our actions. Visitors are encouraged to pack light, bringing only essential items and opting for reusable containers and water bottles. This not only reduces waste, but also ensures that we leave no trace behind. Waste disposal is carefully managed, with recycling and composting facilities readily available. Proper waste management helps keep the environment clean and protects the local wildlife. Respect for wildlife is crucial. The Channel Islands are home to many unique species, and our actions can have significant impacts on their habitats. Maintaining a safe distance from animals, both on land and in the water, is essential for their well-being and the safety of visitors. Disturbing wildlife can lead to stress and behavioral changes in animals. Noise pollution can disrupt wildlife behavior, so quiet enjoyment of the natural surroundings is encouraged. By keeping noise levels down, we help maintain the tranquility of these natural spaces. By following these simple guidelines, visitors can minimize their impact and contribute to the preservation of this pristine environment. Every small action counts, and together we can ensure that the Channel Islands remain a beautiful and thriving natural sanctuary for generations to come. Island cuisine, savoring sustainable flavors. The Channel Islands are not just a feast for the eyes, but also for the palate. The Channel Islands offer a unique culinary experience, with a focus on fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Chefs here take pride in crafting dishes that highlight the natural flavors of the region, ensuring every bite is a celebration of the island's rich bounty. Seafood naturally features prominently on the menu, but sustainable fishing practices are strictly adhered to, ensuring the long-term health of marine populations. Fishermen use methods that minimize bycatch and protect the delicate marine ecosystem, making every seafood dish not only delicious but also environmentally responsible. Many restaurants on the mainland source their ingredients from the islands, supporting local businesses and reducing the carbon footprint of food transportation. This practice not only brings the taste of the islands to a wider audience, but also fosters a sense of community and sustainability. Visitors can also enjoy a taste of the island's bounty by packing their own picnics, using reusable containers and utensils. This eco-friendly approach allows tourists to savor the fresh produce and seafood while minimizing waste and promoting a greener lifestyle. Local farmers markets offer a wide array of fresh produce, from vibrant vegetables to juicy fruits, all grown with care and dedication by local farmers, while specialty stores sell locally made jams, honey, and other delicacies. These products capture the essence of the islands, allowing visitors to take a piece of their culinary adventure home with them. By choosing to eat sustainably, visitors can contribute to the local economy and reduce their environmental impact. Dining at sustainable restaurants not only supports local farmers and fishermen, but also encourages environmentally friendly practices that benefit the entire community. A call to action: preserving paradise. The Channel Islands stand as a testament to the power of conservation and the importance of sustainable practices. This fragile paradise, however, faces ongoing threats from climate change, pollution, and the introduction of invasive species. Protecting this unique ecosystem requires a collective effort, from individuals to governments, to ensure its preservation for generations to come. We can all play a role in protecting the Channel Islands. By supporting conservation organizations, advocating for responsible policies, and making conscious choices in our daily lives, we can contribute to the long-term health of this special place. The future of the Channel Islands, and indeed the health of our planet, depends on our actions today. Conclusion: the Channel Islands, a sustainable sanctuary. The Channel Islands are more than just a beautiful destination. They are a symbol of hope, a reminder that even in the face of environmental challenges, conservation efforts can succeed. By embracing sustainable practices, we can ensure that this natural treasure continues to thrive, offering inspiration and wonder for generations to come. Let us all be inspired by the Channel Islands, to tread lightly on this earth, to protect our planet's biodiversity, and to create a sustainable future for all. The journey towards a healthier planet begins with a single step, and the Channel Islands offer a shining example of the path we must all take.